There's the pom babies. Tucker is the biggest one.
They're pom-poms?
Yeah, and Tamika's the little girl. She's tinier. Hey Tucker. Hey Tucker. You like being outside? Huh? Do you like being outside? Hmm?
She likes being outside that
Ooh,
building.
Tamika found a bone.
She likes being outside the building.
Hey Tamika.
I give Tamika a bone.
Tamika. Oh yes, I know. You're a cute girl. Yes, you're a cute girl. Yes, you are. Look at that pretty girl. Yeah. Look at that cute little girl. Hmm? You like your toys? Hey Tucker. Tucker, look at you.
Do you think this one would be nice?
Look at you. Yep. Hey Tucker.
Tamika.
He's getting fluffy and big now. A pretty boy. Nope. Now they don't want to play anymore. Play with the bone. Oh, Tamika's gonna play. Yeah. Tamika's gonna play still.
After that bark, she went like a guard dog.
Yeah. Hey kids. Hey Tamika.
Tamika.
Look at the pretty puppies. Look at the pretty puppies. Oh yes, look at that pretty girl and boy. Looks like the gorilla needs an operation. Pulled back together again.
Tamika's like the play puppy. And he's just searching for things he likes.
Tamika. Tamika. Yeah, you. Yeah, you little girl. Tamika. Pretty puppies. Okay, you can stay outside and play for a little while. There you go.